What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to pull off the trim ring around the headlight and how to paint it and just kind of black it out. I say this a lot in my Rating My Subscriber Jeep videos to pull these off and paint them, but I have never done a video on it. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys. So you're going to want to get a T15 Torx, and there are 3 screws, one here, one up here, and then the other one is on the other side. And we're just going to unscrew these, and you kind of have to do it at an angle, so you want to make sure you get a good set of tools to do this, and you don't want to strip these, so just be real careful because the headlight kind of punches out at you a little bit. Get one there. Okay. Put those in a safe spot that you don't lose them. Get it off like that. I'm gonna set this off to the side. So another piece that a lot of people miss, there's this trim ring that actually holds the actual headlight inside the housing. You're gonna take your same T15 and you're gonna undo. There's a bolt here, here, and here. So you're just going to pull those out, and then I'm going to leave mine in because I have this all adjusted properly. But there's just 3 bolts. Take that off. This trim ring will come off, and then you're going to do the same thing that you do with this as you will with the trim bezel. So I'm going to show you guys how to prep the bezel now. Okay, so another tip with these little screws is I like to press them in to the cardboard that you've laid down. Just kind of push them in like that, and that way you can spray the heads. All you're gonna do, really simple, you can prep this if you'd like. So just take some 220 grit sandpaper and just lightly sand. Yours is gonna be chrome, obviously. Sand all of it, sand the edge, sand everything so that the paint can adhere to this. And then once you're done with that, I would take some mineral spirits or some lacquer thinner and wipe it all down. And then once you're done with that, this is what I use to black out the trim rings. I use Rust-Oleum's truck bed liner. It's in a spray can. It gives it a nice texture, and it's a little bit more robust than just say like a standard spray paint. But if you don't want this, I would just get like some type of matte spray paint and paint the plastic. And just do some nice light coats. I usually do about 4 coats. If your Jeep sees a lot of off-road use and a lot of rocks and dirt and stuff, I'd probably do a couple more coats of this. But what's really nice about this stuff is, say some of it does start peeling off or whatever, lightly sand it down, just spray another coat of this, and it looks brand new. All right, so now once your trim ring is freshly painted, you just stick it back in here. Now you just got to line it up. There's a little, obviously, screw hole here, here, and here. So make sure these guys just line up real nice. And the thicker side of the trim ring is going to be towards the inside of your Jeep, and it's thinner at the top. You can kind of see it just gets thinner at the top here. So it's going to go ahead and click it in there just like that. Then we're just going to screw it in, and then we're just going to screw this back in. All right, so that is how you black out your trim rings on your headlights on your TJ. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Now I've told you, a bunch of you guys, to do these in the Rating My Subscriber Jeep video, so now you guys know how to do it. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.